First, put all the brackets in contact. Put a sponge on the glass. Use a skid plate to pry the rubber cover out. Unscrew the screw inside. Same on the other side. Apply adhesive aid to the adhesive positions of brackets 1, 2, and 7. Tear off double-sided tape. Align the bracket with the hole and stick it on. Screw on the screws to lock it tightly. The other one is the same. Tear out the number 1 bracket double-sided tape. Use screws to fix on the tail plate. Adjust position. Lock the screw on the hole. Compare the positions of brackets 4 and 5. Apply adhesive aid. Remove the tail plate. Tear off the double-sided tape of brackets 4 and 5. Install it on the tailgate. Fix the other bracket screws of the tail plate. Then put numbers 4 and 5. Bracket close and fixed. Glue the 3 and 6 brackets. Apply adhesive aid in place. Remove the tail plate again. Tear off the double-sided tape of brackets 3 and 6. Fix to the tail plate. Install the tail plate again. Also screw on other bracket screws, then adjust the screws of brackets 3 and 6. Adjusting screws to fix the bracket. Remove all screws. Press all brackets of the tail plate tightly by hand. All when finally installed. The screws must use gaskets and elastic pads. Tighten the screws. Installation complete.